So I finally made it. There is the Pacific Ocean. I'll get down to it and touch it at some point soon, hopefully. That'll be 2. I know this has been a long journey, over 4,000 miles so far. And the one thing that's been fun about it is that I did it all on my own. I know nobody's been really watching this and subscribing here, but the whole point of this log is not for other people, it's for me. I hope people can, well, I can enjoy this for years to come. I'm down at the shore on a misty day with the Pacific Ocean right there. Time to do this. I bet you the water is cold. Fun. But I didn't ride over 4,000 miles just to touch one ocean. I will get back and touch the Atlantic. But what I can say is that over 4,000 miles going across the country, you learn a lot of things. First, you learn to, no matter where you are, there's a golf course and a casino nearby. Now, I'm not sure what it says about our culture, but I think it means our national sport is actually golf. And that casinos, well, I think that kind of has a more detrimental effect. I think, but also, the main thing is like, that'll keep going. So much more to do, so much more to see, so much more fun to be had. So it looks like it's clearing a little up here. Mist is pretty common in the northwest, but if people are wondering why I wasn't like more happy, more victorious, one, I'm ecstatic that I did this, but I also know there's so much more to go. I mean, I'm not even halfway through this trip right now, but hey, I'm beaming right now. This is one great adventure that shall only continue.